Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your LLC in the United States, even if you live outside the US. There are 6 main steps that you need to follow to register an LLC in the US as a non-resident, and I'll give you a general overview of each one. If you would rather have a professional company handle all this tedious work for you, feel free to skip ahead in the video to watch the step-by-step tutorial on how you can register your LLC using Doula. I've included a special discount link to Doula in the description below, so you can save 10% right off the bat. Let's get started with the steps. The formation of a limited liability company, LLC, is a multifaceted process that begins with selecting the state where you intend to register your business. Each state has its own rules and regulations regarding business formation, and it's essential to choose one that aligns with your business goals. If you have employees based in a particular state, you are legally obligated to register your LLC there. For those without a specific location in mind, consider states known for their business-friendly environments. For instance, Delaware is favored for its favorable corporate tax laws and well-established legal framework for businesses, making it a top choice for many entrepreneurs and investors. Similarly, Wyoming is often selected for its low state taxes, lack of corporate income tax, and enhanced privacy protections for LLC owners, which allow for greater anonymity in business dealings. Once you have decided on the state, the next step is to choose a name for your LLC. This name must adhere to specific guidelines set by the state in which you are registering. Most states require the name to include Limited Liability Company, or an abbreviation like LLC. It's important to choose a unique name that clearly differentiates your business from others. Additionally, you must avoid names that could be confused with government agencies, such as those that include the words FBI or CIA. To ensure your chosen name is available, conduct a search on your state's Secretary of State website, which often provides a database of registered business names. Furthermore, it's wise to check the availability of a corresponding domain name for your business, as a strong online presence is crucial in today's digital age. The third step in the process involves hiring a registered agent. A registered agent acts as a liaison between your LLC and the state, receiving important legal documents, tax notices, and official correspondence on behalf of your business. The registered agent must be a resident of the state where your LLC is registered or a business entity authorized to conduct business in that state. While you can designate yourself as your own registered agent, many entrepreneurs opt to hire a professional registered agent service for convenience and peace of mind. These services typically charge between $100 and $150 annually and ensure that you receive timely notifications regarding important legal matters. Once you have a registered agent, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization with the state. This document serves as the official formation paperwork for your LLC and may be referred to by different names in different states, such as the Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization. The Articles of Organization typically require essential information, including the name of your LLC, its principal address, the name and address of your registered agent, and sometimes the purpose of your business. Filing fees for the Articles of Organization vary widely by state, with some states charging as little as $20, while others may impose fees exceeding several $100s. It's crucial to check your state's Secretary of State website for specific filing requirements and to ensure all necessary information is included to avoid delays in processing. After filing your Articles of Organization, the next step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This number functions similarly to a Social Security number, but is specific to your business and is required for various purposes, such as opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. If you are a non-US resident without a Social Security number, you will need to apply for an EIN using IRS Form SS4, which can be submitted by mail, fax, or phone. The application requires details such as your business name, the address of your LLC, the type of entity, and the reason for applying for an EIN. Obtaining an EIN is typically a straightforward process and can usually be completed in a matter of days. Once you have your EIN, you can proceed to open a US bank account for your LLC. This is a vital step for maintaining the financial integrity of your business, as it separates your personal finances from your business finances. Many traditional banks require that account holders appear in person to open an account, which can be a barrier for non-residents. To open a business bank account, you will need to provide several documents, including your passport, the Articles of Organization, an operating agreement, which outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC, your EIN, and proof of a US address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. If in-person banking proves challenging, consider using an online banking platform like Mercury, which is designed to facilitate banking for startups and remote businesses, allowing you to open an account without being physically present in the US. Finally, while having a US mailing address is not a strict requirement for forming an LLC, it can be highly beneficial for several reasons. A US mailing address can improve your credibility with clients, banks, and suppliers, making it easier to establish trust and professionalism. It can also simplify communication with customers and vendors, especially if you plan to apply for loans or lines of credit. While you can use your registered agent's address for official correspondence, having a dedicated mailing address can help streamline your business operations and ensure that you receive important documents promptly. So those are the 6 steps to creating an LLC as a non-US resident. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your LLC using Doula, which will save you a lot of time and headache. Click the link in the description. It will take you directly to the Doula homepage so you can follow along. To set up your LLC with Doula, you start by navigating to their website and clicking the Start Your Business button. The process begins with entering some basic information, such as your first and last name, your email address and password. The email you provide will be used for communication and updates about your LLC filing. Next, you'll select your country of residence. Doula caters to international clients, so you can choose from a wide range of countries. The platform makes it easy to pick your country of origin and proceed with the necessary international considerations. After that, you'll choose the type of business entity you want to form. Doula offers 3 options: LLC, Limited Liability Company, C Corporation, and DAO LLC. The LLC is a popular choice for small businesses due to its flexible structure, whereas a C Corporation is ideal if you're planning to issue stock or attract investors. The DAO LLC is a unique option for businesses that operate on blockchain technology, providing legal protection for decentralized organizations. Once you've chosen your business entity, you'll be prompted to select the state where you want to form your LLC. If you're a resident of a particular state, you'll likely want to select that one. However, if you're an international client, you can choose a state that has favorable regulations and tax structures for businesses, such as Delaware or Wyoming. Doula provides helpful guidance on state-specific filing fees and tax obligations to assist you in making an informed decision. Once all the details are entered and reviewed, you can proceed to select one of Doula's service packages. The platform offers the starter plan, which includes basic services like EIN filings and compliance reminders, or the more comprehensive Total Compliance package, which handles everything from formation to tax filings and accounting support. After you've selected your package and confirmed all the details, you'll be directed to a payment page where you can finalize the setup by entering your payment information. With just a few clicks, your LLC formation will be submitted and Doula will take care of the rest, making the process simple, transparent, and efficient. That's how you can set up your LLC in the United States using Doula. Now, if you want to move forward with setting up your LLC, I've partnered with Doula to make the whole process really easy. Click the link in the description and use this code to get an immediate 10% discount on your plan.